day tastes the same now. Every day the rain to come down. Every day I pray for both of us, as well as you know sometimes. After thunderstorms there is no rainbow in the sky, but sun comes out, and it is okay, get angry, to be upset. And it is okay to say sorry when you do wrong, when you make mistake. And I understand you don't feel me like you did before, but I will wait until you regain your strength. And it is okay for you to lose your speech on me. And it is okay to stop talking with me for a spell. Okay to know no more me, no more of you. How did we got here where love is dead and is okay to love still? When love went away from her to me is okay, I will remain lonely in your shadow. You did not say anything to me this morning. I think I know already the answer I'm expecting from you. No point of delaying anything, your decision is already made for me. So the silence like the fog rising. You saw the news today when I text out of blue. You did not send reply, did not apologize to us, or your heart beat just for me alone. So don't forget the time we spent together, don't forget the love we lost. La 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 lu 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 la 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 lu 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 lu. Time escapes like sands from our hands, oh, but I only need to tell you this just before it's too late for us. Every day with you here with me in this journey we both had to swim in, oh. Every night in your arms the journey ends right here with me, but my heart will carry on beating for us. So you are only for us in our history book, it said. So don't cry for small goodbye, but remember love will remain in us forever. So before you go, I want you to know you was everything to me. What in life is worth fighting for, sweet? Just promise me one thing, you will smile for last time like you smiled when we were together then. Okay to have last kiss goodnight before you go to bed at night, but don't sleep alone for too many nights. And it is okay to stay awake all night and regain deep in your consciousness, hidden deep inside you. The heartbeat of this place has fallen on its knees down to hell for us both. How comes this has happened again? It is okay to stop to pray for us. Is never too late for God to come down from the stars and help us Sometimes sun is asleep for too long. You wake up in the morning from deep sleep. You start to stare through the windows out to world, but all you see is rain coming down. The silence of your voice, no one can hear you now. You are alone in this world meant for both of us. And it is okay that you feel this way about me. It is okay to fall out of love too silence of your voice, no one can hear you now. You are alone in this world meant for both of us. And it is okay that you feel this way about me. It is okay to fall out.